Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale product marketing with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale product marketing on Etsy, start by optimizing your shop profile. Make sure your shop name reflects your brand identity. Craft a compelling shop bio that tells your story and connects with potential customers. Upload high-quality images of your products from various angles. Use natural lighting to showcase your items accurately. Create detailed product descriptions, highlighting unique features and benefits. Incorporate relevant keywords in your titles and tags for better search visibility. Research popular trends in your niche to inform your product offerings. Consider seasonal items that attract customers during specific times of the year. Utilize Etsy's promoted listings to increase your product visibility. Set a budget for promoted listings and monitor their performance regularly. Engage with your audience through social media platforms linked to your Etsy shop. Create Instagram and Pinterest accounts to showcase your products visually. Post consistently to build brand awareness and attract followers. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials after their purchase. Respond promptly to any questions or concerns from potential buyers. Implement email marketing to inform your audience of new products or sales. Build an email list from your customers and interested visitors. Consider running seasonal sales or special promotions to boost sales. Join Etsy teams or forums to connect with other sellers for support and advice. Analyze your shop statistics regularly to understand customer behavior. Adjust your strategies based on what products are performing well. Stay adaptable to changes in the market and be willing to try new approaches. Remember to keep your branding consistent across all platforms. Focus on providing excellent customer service to foster loyalty and repeat business. With persistence and creativity, you can effectively scale your product marketing on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.